Hi guys, it's Carolyn here. I just wanted to give you a little peek at my workshop. It's a home workshop or studio, and I set it up last year when I started making jewellery. I wanted it to be a really nice, serene, bright and airy room so that I just feel really relaxed and happy working here. This is where I keep all of my gemstones and all of my hammers and working blocks. This is from IKEA, great piece of kit, really easy to set up. And over here we have just some more storage to keep all of my other bits and bobs. I have a lot of bits and bobs, I'm sure you do too. This is my little workbench where I store all my wires and also all my tools. My 3 favourite tools are out already. You're getting a bit of a sneak peek at my new bracelet that I'm making. So yeah, this is my little workspace. This is where I make all your jewellery that you like to buy. Thank you very much. I hope you've liked this little sneak peek. If you'd like to see something in more detail, then obviously just leave a message. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.